Hello my friends, welcome to a new video. I'll share with you a simple granola recipe you can make for your kids. Now these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I'll put a recipe in the description box. We've got some seeds. You can make this nut free, but this isn't nut free. We've got peanut butter, so we've got some rolled oats, Rice Krispies, coconut sugar, pumpkin seeds, and now I made the flax egg, essentially using flax seeds, a bit of sugar, coconut sugar, and some hot water. I'm gonna leave a recipe obviously and how you can make this in the description box. First things first, we're just gonna mix our dry ingredients. Now I find steel cut oats doesn't work as well as just normal rolled oats, so I'm going for rolled oats. And we also have our seeds, and then peanut butter really helps. You could use sesame butter or any other seed butter if you're allergic, and some raisins or dried fruits. Okay, so we're mixing this thing up really quickly. It doesn't take long. Now Rice Krispies is optional, but it makes it really crunchy and the children like it. So I know it's a cereal, it's processed food, it's not ideal, but it's a low sugar cereal and you can get them with less of all those additives and high ingredients. So that's why I can comfortably use it for the kids. Now mixing this whole thing up, when it's mixed up it gets quite hard and stiff, so just give it time. And I'm using a dough cutter here to make this job easier. I'm sure people do this, but if you've never done this, just cut the edges of your parchment paper and then it will overlap easily. So just cut and then tuck it in, and look, it's nice and seamless, and that way everything is evenly arranged, and then we'll just put it in. Okay guys, that was a side note because I was actually teaching the boys how to do this. Now if you want to make bars, you need to use potato masher and press this thing really down before you bake it, but this didn't work out to be bars. These are just granolas, but I did that anyway, just showing the kids how that is done. And we just made a little bit extra here that was topped with chocolate. Now when it's cooked, you can bring it out and cut it, but this is crumbly, so we're just showing them again how it's done. Cut it up and you can store this in the freezer, but look at the crunch, it's really delicious. They can have it as breakfast cereal, have it as an overnight oat, or just have it as a snack to go. And this is what the bars could look like. We also have a different one where I made bars. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in another video.